Humans are generally more susceptible to addiction than animals due to a complex interplay of genetics, environment, psychology, and social influences. While animals can exhibit addiction-like behaviors, the scope and complexity of human addiction are often far greater. Our brains possess a more developed prefrontal cortex, crucial for decision-making, impulse control, and assessing consequences. Addiction impairs these executive functions, and our higher baseline level of these functions may make us more vulnerable to such impairments. Addictive substances hijack the brain's reward system, primarily involving dopamine pathways, leading to intense pleasure and reinforcement. Genetic factors account for approximately 40 to 60% of a person's vulnerability, influencing how the brain responds to drugs or alcohol. Repeated engagement in pleasurable activities strengthens neural connections, making the brain less responsive to other rewards. Humans often struggle with emotional regulation, turning to substances or behaviors to numb difficult emotions. Mental health disorders like depression, anxiety, and PTSD can increase vulnerability to substance abuse as a coping mechanism. Certain personality traits, such as impulsivity and sensation-seeking, also increase addiction vulnerability. Trauma, especially adverse childhood experiences, significantly increases the risk of addiction later in life. Greater availability of drugs and alcohol in a person's environment increases the likelihood of substance abuse. Socioeconomic factors like poverty and unemployment contribute to vulnerability due to increased stress and limited resources. Peer pressure, particularly during adolescence, can lead to initial drug or alcohol use, while social isolation also contributes. Animal models have shown similarities in reward pathways across species, allowing research into genetic and neurobiological substrates. However, animal models have limitations, as complex psychological, social, and environmental factors of human addiction are difficult to replicate. In summary, humans are more vulnerable to addiction due to advanced cognitive abilities, complex emotional lives, and significant social and environmental impacts. Understanding these multifaceted factors through both human and animal research is essential to fully grasp the underpinnings of addiction.